This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description. In this video, we're talking about Lorenz Oil's sparkling wine flavored concentrate. So this is a great thing to have on hand if you have requests for stuff like champagne cake. And I usually use this in combination with some nice extra brut champagne just to really punch up the flavor. And it has a nice white wine flavor to it, which when mixed with the real stuff will lend your cakes a nice champagne flavor without having to dilute your batter too much by adding too much actual champagne, right? And I often find too that I do something like make a simple syrup with the champagne and brush that on the layers, and you're gonna get a really awesome, amazing flavor. So we like keeping this on hand for when we have a request for a champagne wedding cake. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.